Well, I am back home and I am starting to pack for our little Disney weekend getaway. We are leaving tomorrow morning. It's Friday today. We're leaving Saturday morning and we're going to be going to the water park, Typhoon Lagoon, and then we are going to check in to the place we're going to be staying. And then we're going to either go to Epcot or maybe another park tomorrow night. Not really sure exactly the plans yet. And then depending on what we do tomorrow night will give us an idea of what we're going to do on Sunday, where we're going to go Sunday. So that is the plans for this weekend. But I wanted to share with you some of the things that I pack with me for a little weekend getaway to Disney. So for us, it's about an hour and 45-minute drive with good traffic. It can be 2.5 hours with bad traffic. So we like to go out and stay for the weekend and then come home. We're actually looking at buying a place out there as well. So don't know if we'll do any looking while we're there or not. We'll see. But so this is kind of the thing that I pack with me in my weekend getaway bag. I've got to pack Jameson stuff as well. But since we are going to the water park, I have a couple of bathing suits ready to go. They are water park friendly bathing suits that are, not gonna be too flimsy, but yet gonna give a good tan. So I have two different bathing suits that I'm gonna bring with me. One I'm gonna wear with me in the morning because the water park opens at 10 a.m. So we're gonna just get dressed for the water park and go right there. So I'm gonna wear this in the morning when we get up and go, and I'll probably just put some shorts and a t-shirt on over it. But I'm bringing another one so that if we decide to go to the hot tub or go swimming the next day, I have another one that's going to be dry. So I'm bringing two bathing suits with me. Normally when we don't go to water parks, I'll just bring a bathing suit. Sometimes we go swimming at a pool wherever we're staying. Sometimes we don't have time, but I like to have one always just in case. All right. Outfits. I love to always wear, I shouldn't say always, most of the time I will wear these like skort type outfits, the ones with the shorts underneath that have kind of like the little skirt on top. They're comfortable, athletic, cute at the same time. So I have a white pair and I also have a black pair. So I'm gonna bring those with me for tomorrow or for the weekend. I have a Disney t-shirt that's actually in the wash right now, so I'm going to be having the Disney t-shirt with this one. But I always bring a pair of Crocs as well. So I have a few different Disney Crocs. These ones I literally just wear to the parks, so I'm going to be bringing those ones. I'll actually probably wear those with my bathing suit and whatever I decide. I might even wear this over my bathing suit tomorrow. We'll see. I'm thinking that's probably the route I'm going to go. And then I will bring my Crocs with me. I like wearing Crocs. They're comfortable. If they get wet, it's not a big deal. If you go on like a water ride, your feet dry fast. So I am a huge fan of Crocs. Sean has Crocs too, but he doesn't like to wear them in the parks. Neither does Jameson. Both of them like to wear sneakers. So I'm really the only Croc person. And then obviously, like I said, I'm going to do some t-shirts. I was thinking this one for Flower and Garden Festival because I like the little bees and the flowers on it. I thought it was kind of cute. So I'm going to do that one with my black skort type outfit whenever we go to Flower and Garden. I'm thinking it's probably going to be on Sunday. I think we might go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow night. So I'm going to do that. I also bring a sweatshirt. So I have just my nice Disney classic yellow sweatshirt. I actually just got this one the last time I went to Disney. And Sean and I got, not matching, but sort of matching. I got the yellow and he got the black. So I have those. I always do bring a sweatshirt of some sort, even if it's hot weather, because sometimes at nighttime it can get cooler in Orlando. So bringing that. I always bring a rain jacket. You never know with the weather here in Florida. One minute it's sunny, the next minute it's rainy. It's actually getting to be the season where it starts to rain every day in the afternoon. So I always bring a rain jacket. This is my cute little tiki bird, or the tiki house bird rain jacket. I got this at Disney a few years ago, but I always keep it in my Disney bag. We actually have a Disney backpack. Sean carries the backpack when we go into the parks, so I put that in the backpack. And then I either bring my crossbody bag, which I am bringing this time, or I bring one of my Loungefly backpacks. I have a lot of Loungeflies. It just depends on what we're doing and where we're going and stuff like that. But this one is pretty easy. I like the shape of it, so I can fill it up pretty deep with, you know, all of my stuff that I need for the parks. I put snacks and all kinds of other stuff in there. So I'm bringing that one because it's going to match with whatever else I have with me. This is the bag that I use for my weekend bag. Let me move this stuff out of the way. This is my bag. I have used this weekend bag for years now. It's a Michael Kors bag. I love it. I think I've had it for at least 5 years. It's lasted. It was a little pricey when I bought it. I want to say it was like maybe around $200, but it's definitely worth it because it was very good quality and it lasted. It's a nice deep bag. Got some junk in there, and it's got a lot of different pockets on the inside, so I can put all of my different things in there. And I can usually get all of my weekend stuff in just this bag. And I like that it kind of looks like Epcot. That's why I bought it, because I like kind of the shape on the outside. It's got pockets on the sides. This pocket right over here, I usually keep like all of my camera stuff in this pocket. So in addition to like this that camera tripod, it's just a little small tripod with a handle. It doesn't have like a long extendable arm or anything. So this one I have been able to bring into Disney. However, now that I have my new camera, I don't usually bring this one at all. I usually just bring my new DJI Osmo Pocket. So that is much more smaller and compact. Okay, then I have this little bag insert. It's from Purse N. I got this from Amazon. I actually got 2 of them. These are really nice little bags that fit really nice in like well, I put this one in this weekend bag. I also have a couple in my Neverfulls, and so they work out really good because they're extendable. You can put like I usually put like makeup and you know, personal stuff in here that I might need, and then this fits nicely just right down in my bag, so that kind of keeps everything in order in there. I also, because we're going to the water park, I'm also bringing my Revlon Blowdry styler here. This is like a blowout tool. I love this thing. I use this every single time I wash my hair. It like gives you the perfect blowout. I've been using this one for a while now, but I will bring this with me because we are going to the water parks, and I am sure that my hair is going to be wet. So I probably won't use it at the water park, but when we check into the hotel, I'll probably use it. And then I'm just going to bring a curling iron as well, just to style a little bit. And then obviously just my regular like cosmetics and bath items and my normal stuff, underwear and that kind of thing is going to go in there as well. But that is pretty much it that I bring in my carry-on bag. In addition, I will bring my phone charger, my camera charger, that kind of thing. Keep it fairly simple. Also, we have a little box of pins that we bring with us for trading for Jameson. So this will go in our backpack that Sean carries. So we'll take that with us as well. So I also want to mention really quick, there's a couple more things that I also take with us. I take our refillable popcorn bucket. Because we go to Disney so often, we don't like to spend a ton of money when we go to Disney. We try to keep it as inexpensive as possible, and getting the refillable popcorn is like $2.20, something like that. So it's a really cheap snack. Jameson loves popcorn. Jameson does. So I always bring a refillable popcorn bucket, and I always bring a hat and sunglasses. My sunglasses are in my bag, but I always bring a hat as well, especially going to the water park. So I'm going to bring my Mickey hat, and I'm also going to pack a few snacks in our backpack. Also, because we are going to the water park, I'm gonna bring my water park / beach Bogg bag, and I've cleaned it all out. Normally we have like some sand toys and stuff in here, but I'm keeping just the stuff that we're taking to the park with us, which is SPF, sunscreen, suntan lotion. I also have some bug spray in there. Usually there's not any bugs there, but sometimes there is, so just to keep that in there. Also, I'm bringing a couple of waters, and then I'm throwing in my beach towels. If you're staying at a resort, you can use the resort's towels, but obviously we are going straight there from here, so I am bringing my own beach towels. And then I'm also going to bring some goggles for Jameson, because he likes to swim around with his goggles, especially in the wave pool and the lazy river and stuff. So we're going to do goggles, and I am also going to bring my Starbucks cup, just like this, so I can fill it up with ice and then just put water in here, so I'm staying hydrated throughout the day. So that's going in there as well. I'm also bringing a hair clip, so I'll just put my hat and everything right in here. So that's ready to go.